The Kaizer Chiefs legend is happy with the spirit shown by the Mamelodi Sundowns duo during their international assignment. Kolisa Mudau and Mutobi Mvala put their bodies on the line on Friday in the 2026 FIFA World Cup between Nigeria and South Africa that ended 1-1. Mudau, who was a doubt after sustaining a shoulder injury in the Nedbank Cup final against Orlando Pirates, defied the odds to start against the Super Eagles in Uyo and managed to keep Ademola Lookman quiet. At some point in the match, Mvala looked uncomfortable but still managed to put up a brave face to help get a point in Group C's fixture. Kaizer Chiefs legend Dr. Khumalo has now explained why the duo should be emulated. He was speaking on Dan podcast and said, "I was worried when I saw Mudau having a problem with the shoulder against Pirates in the Nedbank Cup, but I was surprised he was part of the team against Nigeria. These are the kind of players that we need. We saw Mvala in the AFCON playing with his head injured and tapped, but he was still heading the ball. For them to be there, I strongly believe that they are players that have a big heart and wanted to be there. In the national team, you are like a soldier. You are carrying the hopes of the country. You need to protect the image, the flag of the country, the national anthem." The duo will be vital on Tuesday when Bafana Bafana hosts Zimbabwe in the fourth assignment in Group C, hoping to get their second win in the ongoing campaign. After beating Benin 2-1 on match day 1, South Africa fell 2-0 against Rwanda in their second game before sharing the spoils in Uyo on June 7. Currently, Lesotho leads the table with 5 points, one more than Rwanda. Benin, who will later on Monday play Nigeria and Bafana. The Super Eagles have 3 points while Zimbabwe are at the bottom with just 2 points. Bros is hoping there will be no injury setback ahead of the Tuesday game at the Free State Toyota Stadium in Bloemfontein. A win for Bafana Bafana might put them on the top of the pool depending on the outcome of the teams in the group. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.